Excuse me, can you pass the... Oh, sorry. I said, can you pass the... No. Oh God. Sorry. Can you say that one more time? Can you pass the... Oh no.
Comments awkward laugh sequence and hope that it was a joke.
Hehe. What the? I asked if you can pass the sugar. Oh man. Excuse me. Do you know where is the... Oh please, dear God. What was that? I said, do you know where's the... My life is a joke. I couldn't quite hear you, sir. All I need to know is where's the... is? Fuck.
Comments awkward laugh sequence.
Ha ha ha. Oh, he said hospital. Ooh, great party, right? Yeah, I really needed this. My, what? I said my cat didn't die.
Comments sequence.
Hehe. Are you a monster? What? I tell you my cat died and you're laughing at me?
Is that animal a joke to you?
What?